Hi everyone, this is John here. Uh, Today I'm going to just talk about the topic DevOps and security ops. So before diving in, just want to quickly give a quick intro. I am John. I've been working in the IT industry for quite some time. So this video is all about sharing my knowledge about this particular topic. Let's get started. So what is this DevOps? And what is this DevOps? Sorry, DevSecOps. So these things are some of the buzzwords that are there currently in the IT industry. Let's understand what exactly they are. So before going in, actually I created another video which talks about how IT industry, how this particular technologies, how things are there, they are categorized. So I've created a video, and in that video I've talked about what is architecture, design, people, and process, and infrastructure and technology. These are the three categories. So that three categories, if you understand it better, it would be easy for you to learn any new technology better. So if you have not watched that video, just I've provided a link about it. Just go and have a look into that particular video. It would be very much useful. So in that particular video, what I've talked about is, so these are the three categories that are there, and this particular DevOps, which category it falls under. If you see, it is a DevOps falls under the category of people and process, as well as the infrastructure and technology. So that's the reason I have just shown you here this particular diagram where this DevOps is cutting across people, process, and infrastructure and technology. So before going into DevOps, okay, what exactly DevOps is? You should understand that DevOps is nothing but it is a mix of people, process, and the infrastructure and technology, as I said earlier. So before jumping into it, in simple words, we can say DevOps is nothing but it's a evolution of your agile methodology, agile process, I would say. So before deep diving into it, let's quickly get a recap of what exactly this waterfall model is, agile model is. Okay, so agile process and waterfall model, and these things are there in the industry for quite some time. The very old one is, I would say, waterfall model. You have the requirements, design, implementation. So you follow step by step. We follow a sequential way of things, and then get the particular software to be developed. We follow this process. This is what IT industry has been following for quite some time. But what happened is, in waterfall model, if you want to make any changes in the middle, or if you want to incorporate a new change, it won't be possible. And as a result of which, it would be a very tough and it would be a costly operation. And it has been always a painful process, and the IT industry has been going through, I would say. So in order to overcome this process is what came the agile process. So in agile process, we use the concept of what to say. Uh, Again, the same process, whatever the requirements, design, all the things are there. But we always try to deliver this particular software development or make it into small chunks and do it in small iterations. Iterative approach is what agile process generally targets on. So you will have a requirement, and that requirement will work a period of 2 to 3 weeks to the design to define it, and then after that you take it for your development, complete the testing, and then finally you release in small chunks. So iterative approach is what agile methodology mainly concentrates on. So if you see in this both waterfall model as well as in agile, the main concentration is how you are doing the development of the software. So that is what these two methodologies mainly are interested in. Okay, so these two process. So what exactly DevOps is? From the name itself, you can say it is nothing but it's a mix of development and operations. So if you take in waterfall model and agile process model, up to the development and testing, up to that level only, the overall concentration was there. Whereas operations are where you do the deployment, make it run in the production environment. So those things were not much concentration was not provided to it in the earlier processes, namely in waterfall as well as in agile. Whereas DevOps is trying to extend that concentration to the operations area also. So this is what the DevOps is all about. It's a mix of development, or I would say it's a bringing the development team, operations teams also into picture, business people also into picture. Agile, what it does is it try to bring the development team and it try to bring the business team together. That is what Agile try to achieve. Whereas here, it is taking one step further, bringing the operation teams also into picture. That is what DevOps is. So if you want to do have DevOps implemented, as I say, it's a like Agile. You have to have a cultural change. So same way, DevOps also cultural change is required. But in each and every step that is being involved, namely from the plan, from the define, and the planning stage, the coding stage, testing stage, whatever stages that are there, in each and every step, you'd be using the right set of DevOps tools in order to achieve your quick deployment of this particular software. Because today's world, if you see, a lot of changes are happening and you should be leading the particular race. Otherwise, you'll be left out of the race by the time other companies be able to pick up that particular opportunity and take it up that opportunity, and they try to scale up in that market. So you have to be quick to this particular market. So you have to quickly deliver that particular solutions. Quick time to market. That's what you can say. So that is what this DevOps is mainly interested in and is trying to achieve. So if you see in this particular diagram, for each and every stage, namely for build, test, release, all the stages, what are the tools that can be used? That is what this particular diagram talks about. So here this is the, if okay, fine, I like to interested in go for uh, DevOps, right? So if I want to go for DevOps, there are other terminologies I would say that you would be interested in, methodologies I can say. So what are the things that are there is continuous integration. This is another keywords that are there. Again, it is part of DevOps only. The continuous delivery, continuous deployment, and finally operate. So this diagram clearly explains what exactly all these DevOps methodologies are about. So agile development, as I said earlier, we concentrated mainly on the coding and the building of that particular software solution. Whereas continuous integration takes it one step further, where we concentrate on integration and testing. And continuous delivery, you do the testing and also make the code ready to deploy, ready to ship. That kind of concept is what continuous delivery is all about. The last step would be the continuous deployment. So, okay, fine, code is ready and is ready for deployment. So that particular code, you have to go and deploy it to the production environment, release it for actual use. So that is what continuous deployment is all about. So once you do the deployment, then namely in production world, you are deploying it, and it is necessary that you have to monitor it and capture what exactly is happening in the real time, and accordingly get the feedback, and you have to feed that back to your cycle, or in other words, in your overall life cycle of your software. So that is what finally operate. So if you have all these things, then we can say you have a DevOps pipeline in your particular software development process. So there is one more thing called as development SecOps. What is a development SecOps is? It is nothing but development, security, and operations. So the same development in the DevOps cycle, you are trying to, if you have incorporate security in each and every stage, so that security is a very, very important aspect. So we generally skip it and the last minute you do it. So that kind of things, if you don't do it in each and every stage of your overall life cycle of your software development, if you take care of it, that is what namely the development security operations all about. So in the build activity, in the development process also, as well as in the operations process also. In all these things, if you incorporate in each and every cycle or each and every step of your planning to till the deployment, in all the stages, if you incorporate namely security, then it is called as DevSecOps. So that's all I have for this for you for about DevOps. So this is a very, very basic thing, just to a high level, to give you a very high level idea for what exactly this DevOps and DevSecOps is. So I have just added the references where I got this kind of information. It's available from this above link, and kindly just go and have a look into it, be able to understand what exactly it's all about. If you like this video, kindly share it, and I am planning to post more videos. Just try to look for other videos that I have created. If you like, just share your comments. It will be very much useful for me to know how I'm performing or how I'm what if I giving this particular topics to you, how it's interesting. Accordingly, I can take it forward. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.